I'm demonstrating Jalaneti. For Jalaneti, what we will do is we will have a Jalaneti pot, and we also prepare a saline water wherein you have to add um, 1 teaspoon of salt in 1 liter of water, and it has to be lukewarm. You have to slightly warm it and keep it ready for Jalaneti practice. So I have prepared that water. So first, what you have to do is you have to ensure um, you have these things readily in case for performing the Jalaneti. Then you check which side of the nose is open. For me, right side is currently open, so I'll be performing first from the right side. That means I'll be starting from left side and I'll be having the right side. And second important thing is contraindications. You should not have any nasal surgeries. You should not have any ear infection, ear tract infections. Those things should not be there when you are performing Jalaneti. So that is the only contraindication you have to avoid. Otherwise, it is very helpful during your sinusitis, migraine, headaches. So it is very beneficial for these kind of medical conditions. So I'll go ahead and perform Jalaneti here. So we should pour in water into pot, Jalaneti pot. So here, what we should do is first we should, and I'll tell the procedure. What we should do is we'll be inserting this stick into one of the nasal cavities, and we'll be bending our head 45 degrees by bending forward and tilting the head 45 degrees. We'll be inserting this pipe here, and we'll be opening our mouth and breathing from our mouth so that the water comes out from the nose. So since both the nostrils are involved in this, so we will not be able to breathe through the nose. So we have to open our mouth for ensuring we are breathing normally. And once the practice is done, once the Jalaneti is performed from both the nostrils, we will have to ensure that we drain out water completely, and we have to do it by performing Kapalbhati. So the nasal cavities have to be dried properly post performing the Jalaneti. So now I will demonstrate the Jalaneti practice. I am having a bucket, so you can sit on the table like this, or else you can bend over and do this, or you can sit in Malasana also and do the practice. So here I'll be performing Kapalbhati. Now I'll go ahead with the second nostril. Again, we'll have to perform Kapalbhati. You should do until your nasal tracts are dry. Just a minute. So once your nasal tracts are dry, your practice ends here. Ensure that you don't sleep for 2 hours after the practice of Jalaneti, because it might lead to pneumonia also at times. So to avoid that kind of situation, you should not sleep, and that is the reason why you have to ensure that your nasal tracts are dried properly after performing Jalaneti, so that there is no chance of any pneumonia on the later stage. So this is how you perform Jalaneti, and the contraindications and benefits of Jalaneti are explained.